Hello everyone, it's me Bestin. So today we are going to learn how to build simple livescore app. Okay, so I press the plus button to add a new project. So I write the name livescore app. Okay, I set the advanced style. I change the package name. I change the package name to what I also give the project name livescore. Okay, so I give it the icon. um so I gave it the icon. Let me select this. Okay, now I have set the icon. So now I'll click. What is going on? Let me use this. Okay, now I have set the icon. So I now create app. So I have to wait for it to open. Now this is the welcome. I will go to setting, view. I want to make this page as the welcome page. Okay, so I will remove everything, save, and I'll add a new, which should be the web view. That is the second activity. So I remove this and add. Now I have to view. I go back to the first view. I add a linear v width, match parent. I add how do you call it, background resource. I need to add image. I click here, add image, add. I click add. I'm adding image to the app. So the image that I'm going to use in the app. Okay, so this image I'm going to use is here. So I'll select this. I click done. Okay, done. Change the name to anything I like. img. Save. Okay, now I click back. Then I go here, background resources. I select the image. Select the image, use the welcome page. I go to event, on create. I add a component, timer. I put T. I add another component, intent. Now intent will allow us to go to another page. Okay, now let me set it. I want it to go to another page after 3 seconds. Okay, after 3 seconds, 3 seconds, let it go to. After 3 seconds, what will happen after 3 seconds? I will set the screen. Set action. I'm using the intent. You know, anytime you add the screen, start activity. Okay. Set action view. Now I'm setting the screen. So what I'm arranging is that after 3 seconds, it will go to the second page automatically. Okay, now I've set it off. This is for the first page. Okay, so let's go to the second page, second screen. Here we are. Now I have to add a linear V. Go to it, match parents. Okay, padding 0, save. Okay, so I'll add web view padding 0. Okay, now I'll go to events, on create. I'll go here, go to view, add web. Okay, I'll select the web view. Okay, then I'll enter the URL here, livescore.bz. livescore.bz. Okay, that is the website I use for this. I still go there. Okay, I'm setting the cookie so that it will no default. It will remember it last part. Okay, so I want it. So that is all for this side. Now I'll add the close button. That is when user click back button. So I will click here, on back button press, add on back button press. I go there, I will add where is it? I go to view. Now let me add control. If then else. If then I'll go to view. If web view, let me find web view. If web view, where is it? If web view can go back, let me select the web view. Go back. Okay, what I mean is that if the web view can go back, you should go back, else it should finish the activity. So if you use this finish activity, it will take you to the first page, but we are not going to use it. Let's add source directory, put it here. I'm going to add a simple code called finish affinity. Okay, finish affinity. This code will close the app straight. Okay, so finish affinity, then I'll close the code. Okay, so this code will close the app straight without going back to the first page. Okay, so let me add a toast. Okay, now click back. Now everything is done. So let's run the app and see what we got. Run. So you can create app like this, then you add mob ads unit on it, then you can use it to earn money when you upload it to Play Store. Okay, so now the app is running. Let me install it. I'm installing it. Okay, so I've turned on my data so that to check if it's work. Okay, now so let us open this app. Okay, done. Let's go back. Look at it here. So I'm waiting for my data to on. So okay, let's open it. You can see I've opened the app. This is the app we just created, livescore app. In 3 seconds it go to the second view, and the second view start to load the livescore web page. Now we have created a livescore app. Okay, now if we click back now, it will close it immediately. Okay, so there is no dialog box. Okay, so this is it. You see, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you. It's me, Best Dean. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are a lot to it. Thank you.